Hi guys, what's up? This is me once again, Ashna, and today we are with
Lisa.
and today we're gonna tackling something that is actually so crucial, especially for those young individuals like you and to our future generation. So today, without further ado, we are with Risa. Actually, a little bit of background with Risa. Last year, he actually attained the highest degree among her classmates. Not just like that, she's also a scholar in our school, and not just that, it is also have a part-time job such as tutoring someone, which is actually a great thing, especially to those individuals just like me who's actually always distracted about something and doesn't know what to do with their life, a certain path, direction to go to your journey. Actually, when I asked her does she actually want? She actually answered me so directly, like she wanted to become a CPA. Girl, I was so, indecisive. Well, what should I choose at a certain moment? And she has a clear path on what she should do in her life. So there are some questions that I have prepared, and hopefully Lisa would be able to answer this one. What's something that makes you happy?
In terms of what?
In general,
Pag may achievement.
achievements. Okay. Is there someone that motivates you?
Wala.
How about family?
Joke lang meron.
Hmm.
Secret.
Okay, it's secret, guys. Let's protect her privacy, but we already have a clue. Do you think being smart is something you're born with or can be developed?
Can be developed.
So being smart can be developed. In time of hardship that you feel that you cannot hold on anymore or so-called burnout, what do you do?
Brave.
Pray. Okay, pray. Pray, pray, guys. What do you mean by so-called smart and intelligence? What are their differences?
Kapag intelligent kasi, feel ko, kapag, ayun yung inborn na talaga. Tapos kapag smart naman, yun naman yung parang nade-develop siya.
So, di ba meron tayong Intelligence by Howard Gardner? So, maaaring magaling ka dito, maaaring magaling ako dito, maaaring magaling siya doon, at maaaring magaling siya. We should respect each other because we do have different differences in life. But by being smart, it takes you discipline, resilience among something that matter because not everyone has that certain discipline just like you. Especially right now, AI. We gotta be so understanding the AI because that's the leading thing that will help you move on towards innovation and the modern world.
Wow. STS.
Okay. How to be smart?
Ewan ko.
How to be
Bakit
smart?
ganun?
Ano? To become smart, just based on the individual that you have seen, or especially you are smart. I think for me, based on my perception of her, you gotta be disciplined. You gotta be something, even if you fail, you gotta still try. Because at the end of the day, the failure is actually the thing that matters. That's where you learn a lot. Does having social status contribute to becoming smarter?
Hindi. Kasi introvert ako, di lang So,
Mm.
kaya ko kahit ako lang. Mas gusto ko rin na ako lang nagre-review kaysa yung may kasama kasi hindi siya effective para sa
Mm. But for me, I think it is. Kasi based on my perception, there are individuals who has this social status, higher connection. They were able to get the reviewers. They were able to answer this thing. They were able to, but still, it would be depending on individuals. Can someone fail in school but still be smart? Mm.
may mga,
Why?
may mga ano kasi, syempre hindi nga tayo pare-parehas. May mga tao kasing panalita sa ganitong bagay sa school pero pagdating sa labas, hindi sila. Kumbaga, di ba, kaya may street smart. Diba?
Oo, street smart, book smart. Yeah. Okay. Next. Do mistake make someone smarter? Why?
Feel ko lang, oo. Kasi, mas natututo kasi kapag nagkakamali. So, ayun.
What attributes that smart individual have?
Ayun nga, discipline. Discipline sila, kaya ganun.
Siya sipag. Lalo na sa course natin, no? Dapat sipagan mo talaga kung gusto mo maging
Tsaka consistent.
consistent. Do you consider yourself smart?
Hindi.
Why?
Hindi talaga. Wala. Sakto lang naman ako. Kumbaga ano lang, kaya lang naman ako naka-survive kasi kailangan mag-review, eh. I mean, kapag kailangan talaga ng aral-aral, hindi ko sinasamahan ng ibang bagay yan na hindi naman makakatulong.
If there's a lesson you could give to young kids out there who wanted to follow your path, what would it be?
Bakit yung palo? Bakit yung pat?
Kasi yung path mo kasi something worth bragging
Wow,
about.
ayun. Kung may goal kayo, dapat hindi lang puro pangarap. Like, kailangan talaga ng discipline, ng consistency, and kung gusto mo talaga yun, gawin mo. Hindi yung puro, lang, pangarap na.
Kasi there will be a time, kasi sinasabi nila na kapag dapat may motivation ka. Pero meron kasing time na mawawalan ka talaga bigla ng motivation kasi certain things sa path na pinili mo. Ang kailangan mo lang talaga doon is consistency. Tapos yung habit. Kasi it will take a lot of things. Pero kung may habit ka na, yun na. Stick to it na. Dire-diretso na yun. Tapos, pray with God, have the courage, have someone to rely with, support, family, strongest foundation. Kasi sa accounting, mapapasuko ka na lang bigla yung parang i-ghost mo na lang yung course mo eh. Ay. Pero kakayanin mo siya, guys. Ano lang, kalalaban mo lang, analytical. Pero wag ka rin, matulog ka talaga.
Tsaka sa college kasi, parang na siya, pag bumagsak ka, parang normal na siya. Kasi tawag dito, pag bumagsak ka, parang, kailangan move on agad. Kasi kapag dinamdam mo siya, parang, maapektuhan lahat. Eh, kapag, mababa ka sa ganito, ganyan, okay na, tapos, kalimutan na agad, tas, na lang, focus na lang agad dun sa kung ano yung nangyayari.
Saka na-realize ko din kasi meron sa ating mga working student, merong nagbi-bridging sa program natin, meron tayong iba't ibang reason, meron tayong iba't ibang ginagawa sa buhay natin kaya hindi tayo dapat mag-compare. Maaring, oo, mataas siya dito, pero di mo kasi maaring yung mga average student, meron din kasi silang ibang ginagawa tulad ng meron silang work na kailangan gampanan para itugon yung tuition nila, marami silang ginagawa sa bahay. So, it still depends. Yung iba binabalance yung kung ano ng time. It will still depend. Pero depende yun sa individual kung ito talaga yung gusto niyang i-achieve. Kaya, kasi sa ngayon marami nagbe-base na, nakasulat sa papel. Pero sana sa accounting, pumasa tayo sa pare. Guys, comment nyo nga kung ano yung magandang review center. Ano ba kasi pero pinili ko yung Facebook kasi parang review center na din siya eh. Maganda eh.
Support.
Oo, sa kasi
Under siya ng
hindi ko maiwan-iwan si Balix eh. Nag-stay ako para kay Balix. Sir Balix pala siya. Sir Balix.
Ano pa yan?
Ayun nga. Kasi parang di ba senior high school, yung college natin parang review center. Kasi review center naman talaga yung natin, yung school na pinasukan natin, di ba? Ayun guys. Kaya kung meron kayong gustong i-achieve, be it, achieve it, give yourself time. Kasi everything takes time. Practice because it makes it better, not perfect, okay? And don't lose courage. Always ask for that foundation strength to be able to achieve something that you might be in good on. So I think this would be it, guys, because we're gonna tackle about love life na. Bye!